Waltzed in the scene, whole game like a ballroom. Came up out the mud, had to go to my dance shoes. Hit the moonwalk when I'm leaving every interview. I never look back, even when I'm leaving rooms. I could cop a phantom when I wake up in the morning, but if money's all you flexing, then you live the cheapest story. I wanna be Picasso to the south, just give me all the glory. I'm the man who make dirt and dust an allegory. So keep talking alright, stay up late all night, draw pictures of my enemies and visions I like. Music's life, life's time, time's moving, take a hike. Back then, say what's next, and I'd probably say a bike. To the end of time we go, pioneers who broke the mold. Cap down in the woods, no sound, green on the ground, building hip-hop mounds. Song still spinning in my own hometown. In the future when my name's passed around, they'll say that he's a pioneer. They'll say he's a pioneer. A pioneer. Velvet red